With only a handful of ingredients and a few minutes, this recipe turns frozen peas into a delicious Italian side dish. Let's begin by finely chopping about a third of a yellow onion. Then remove the ends, crush and peel one garlic clove before giving it a fine mince. Take 4 ounces of your standard deli ham and slice it into about 1/2 inch wide strips before chopping it into small cubes. In a large skillet on medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Toss in the onions along with a big pinch of salt to help them cook faster. After a few minutes of sautéing the onions and they've started to become translucent, make room in the center of the pan for the garlic. Let that fry and release its flavors in the oil for about a minute before mixing everything together. Grate in the zest from about half of a lemon, and once again, let that cook with the onions for about another minute. Now, you can drop in the cut up ham and just mix it around until it's nicely coated in the onions and oil. Next, you can add in the 10 ounces of frozen peas. Add another big pinch of salt, along with a few grindings of black pepper before making sure everything is well incorporated. Since frozen peas are so small and delicate, they really only need to be heated up on low heat for a couple minutes. If they cook for too long, they'll lose their bright green color and fresh flavor. So once everything's been mixed together, we'll take it off the heat and finish by tearing in a few leaves of basil. Give it one final toss before serving immediately. Pile it onto a plate, and this goes perfect with a fresh grating of Parmesan cheese and some extra black pepper before enjoying. Please write any questions or thoughts in the comments and let me know if you plan on trying this one out. Thank you for watching.